Okay, if you want more information on how to create symbols, I'm just going to do a short clip for you. So a symbol is a graphic or a button or a movie clip that you create once in Animate CC or Flash, whatever you're working in. And by using a simple button or movie clip classes, you can then reuse the symbol throughout the document. And so you store them in your library. And then an instance is a copy of the symbol, so you can pull it out onto the stage at any time, and or you can nest it inside another symbol. So an instance can be different from its parent symbol in color, size, and function. So the other good thing about symbols is that they dramatically reduce the file size. And saving several instances of symbol requires less storage space as well than saving multiple copies of the contents of the symbol, if that makes sense. So to do one, really simply, we're going to put it on stage. There's nothing in the library at the moment, but I'm going to, wasn't going to do a square. I'm going to do a simple circle. Now, you've got to go to your select tool, click on this, and it'll go sort of like a gradient color, and then you select it, or you can just select it and it'll go like that. And then you go modify, convert to symbol, give your symbol a name. So let's say blue circle. Now it can be a movie clip, it can be a button, or it can be a graphic. Now if you're working with animation, it'll usually be a movie clip. If you're creating interactive buttons, which is what we do in ActionScript, or I think we might do it later on as well, but then you'd click button to make that interactivity. So we'll leave it as movie clip. We'll also register it so that the center point is in the middle of the circle, and then just click OK. And now you have inside your library, so I embed library next to properties because I work with it a lot. And you've got a simple circle. You know this is a movie clip by the symbol. If it was a button, it would be different. A graphic, that symbol would be different again. But I can always take this symbol and I can drag it onto the stage and reuse it. Now, there's also in properties, you'd create an instance name of this. So if you were doing ActionScript, which is sort of the next stage, that is like you're making it interactive through code, you would give it the same name, but you might use instead of camel code, which is, you'd learn about that in ActionScript, but you just use maybe all lowercase because you use the instance name in ActionScript, so purple circle. And you can always refer back to what is the instance name. So it's an instance of blue circle. Let's call it blue circle, and hopefully, no, I just made the same name. So blue circle, there we go. So I hope that explains symbols. And any questions, just SMS me.